Let me demonstrate the code, how this process will work. Okay, so this is the code base that I'm actually having with me. And let me show you the data that whatever I'm having. So in the face data, I have the two folders I told you. There are the males and females. So I have actually already extracted the information, only the face details of the male and female. These are the females. Now let me show you the code for training. So this is the code for training which are actually trying to use here. So let me walk through the code, and the first step I will actually load all the required libraries and some required functions, that is which I require here. And here I have labeled the male and female. Whatever the image I found it's a male, I just mark it as 0, and for female I mark it as 1. And now I have loaded all the images that was there in my data that we can see there are some images are there for male and female. So here I identified there are 75 faces that was there in the male folder, 65 faces that was there in the female folder. Okay, so let me execute this. And now I'm trying to read each and every image, and I'm trying to extract the embeddings out of it. Means I'll take one image and try to find out the key points and extract the embeddings and saving into a vector. That's what exactly I'm doing here, which is something like this. I'm having the embeddings and I'm saving in this format. That's what exactly I'm preparing the data. Okay, I'm done with the male images. Let me simply do for the female images also. Done. Now I have finished for the 64 images. Now as a part of next step, I'm doing the training. Here I clearly define what is my X and what is my Y. X is something which contains all the vectors, and Y is something which contains all the labels. And remember, there are 138 images out there. Okay, so as a next step, what I'll do is I will split the data into train and test. This is important for me because I will take the training samples and train the model, and for the test data I'll try to evaluate it and see how much accuracy or how much accurate our model able to detect male and female. For such case I'm using this. Now here I'm using the k-nearest neighbor classifier, and I'm taking the model and fit the k-nearest neighbor classifier and done. So which means that I have successfully built the model and I can able to do this. So let me evaluate it, and this is what I have from the k-nearest neighbor. Means identifying the male is the precision of 0.94 and identifying female with the precision of 0.8, and the recall is 0.88 and 0.8. The overall accuracy of the model is 88, which is a decent model. So if you are satisfied it, let me save this model. And here I have saved the model as general class.pickle. Now let me save it. And now I already created one gender app, some kind of app which is there. And this app probably you can use it in the web application or whatever you want. Now let me load all the details, and also let me load the model here, and let me define the 0 is male and 1 is female. And now let me open the video capture. So I'm having the camera with me. Let me connect my model to the video capture, and let's give some photos to it, and let's see whether our model is identifying whether he is male or she is female. All right, let's see it. All right, now the camera is open, and let me see it detecting me as male. Yes. Okay, it's detecting me as male. So what I'll do, let me show some images to my camera, and there are few male and female images. Yes, it's detecting male, female, female. That's correct. And let me also give some other images also. And female, the face is not detecting. Yes, female. Cool, right? So that's how we can actually do few more male celebrities. Let me show some images. It's male. Cool. Cool. This is how we can actually build a simple machine learning model, and that machine learning model can able to do the face detection, and not only detecting it, it also able to tell us that whether I'm a male or female. That's super cool, right? This is how we can build the machine learning model. We actually have the full course for the face recognition. It's not only just detecting the face recognition, we also build a Flask app and deployed that Flask app even in the cloud. So the complete course is already there, and there are already the 24,000 students that already have enrolled to our course, and where we have explained the image processing concepts, building the machine learning model from the scratch, and also explained the what is the machine learning, everything in a very detail. And also we have explained how to build the Flask app and deploy the Flask in the Heroku cloud and also in another cloud also. And there is an optional video about the explaining what is Flask, and everything is given in great detail. And we are actually having the many courses in the Udemy, and I'll give you all the details in the URL. You can find each and every details in the description. Right now there are 95,000 students have already enrolled. Currently we are having the 20 courses related to the computer vision, attendance system, and building the face recognition in the Django, and also custom object detection, and so many courses is already there with us. You can actually go through each and every course, and if you want the coupons, you can directly reach out to us and to get the coupons. And thank you very much for listening to the entire machine learning comprehensive introduction. Now hope you understand what is data science, data analysis, and how we build the machine learning model. Hope now you understand what exactly happening in the backend process of the data science project. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon to get more interesting videos like this. Thank you very much.